China has transformed its Taizhou destroyer into a far more lethal multi-role warship by replacing nearly all Russian combat systems with more advanced domestic technology. This upgrade significantly expands the Project 956 EM ship's missile reach and engagement speed, giving the Chinese vessel a real area air defense capability and a much stronger strike power in contested waters. The installation of a 48-cell vertical launch system and new Yj12 supersonic missiles enables long-range coordinated attacks and rapid response against saturation threats. Combined with modern sensors, network targeting, and layered defenses, the destroyer now fits China's push toward integrated high-intensity naval warfare and extended force projection. On April 24, 2026, China publicly unveiled the modernized Project 956M destroyer Taizhou, Hull 138, in Taizhou, Jiangsu Province, during PLA Navy's 77th anniversary activities, providing the first detailed view of a complete midlife modernization conducted within China. The close-in defense layer has been redesigned by removing the cached and CIWS combined systems. These two mounts, combining 30mm guns and missiles, had reaction times exceeding 6 seconds and relied on a single integrated mount. Therefore, replacing them with two HPJ-11 11-barrel 30mm Gatling guns and one HQ-10A missile launcher with 24 ready short-range rounds significantly improves the performance. Anti-submarine warfare capabilities have also been expanded through the replacement of the Russian 533mm torpedo tubes with Chinese 324mm triple launchers, compatible with modern lightweight torpedoes. Electronic warfare and defensive systems have been expanded with the installation of 4 H/RJZ-726 4A decoy launchers, each with 24 tubes. The H/RJZ-726 4A launchers, now totaling 96 tubes, are capable of deploying radar chaff, infrared decoys, and acoustic countermeasures. Concerning the ship's sensor suite, all major Russian sensors, such as the Mr. 750, have been replaced with more modern Chinese systems, including a 3D air search radar. This deep modernization turned the Taizhou, a short-range strike ship with limited self-defense, into a multi-role destroyer that can defend a wider area, strike targets much farther away, and track and engage multiple threats at the same time within a networked fleet.